In Australia, and indeed across the globe, there is an increasing awareness that our diversity can bring unity, and this has been demonstrated time and time and again. Diversity our strength. Love, peace, and tolerance can triumph our racist ideology and negative worldviews. With these ideals, our communities can enjoy life and smile at our continuing progress. Ladies and gentlemen, humanity is really in a state of disarray and loss. There is far too much hostility, greed, anger, and violence, to say the least. Underlying all of these is a loss of the sacred and a spiritual crisis of our collective hearts and souls and our inner lives, which has a tendency to lose its ethical and moral compass.
2 years ago, I hosted an event in Parliament House in Canberra, and we had various speakers from farming communities that had been affected by the Tarpon bushfires. We also had speakers from the Pacific Islands, and it's worth thinking that while we're very vulnerable in Australia because of fire, flood, drought, the people in the Pacific are really on the front lines, and a lot of their communities are now beginning to think about where will we go.
And again, this is what Uncle Alan, I think, was trying to think of. There's a difference in bringing your diversity and then becoming the same. And there's a difference between bringing your diversity and having the right to be different, and creating and fostering understanding within our differences.
We are making progress, and it's through events like this. I do a lot of work up at Colebrook Reconciliation Park, which was the site of the former Colebrook Children's Home, and we've been working on that site for the last 20 or so years to make it into the memorial park that it is today.